Assalamu alaikum. Hello my friends. Today we have a new video with new ideas and I hope it will be interesting and useful for all of you. But as usual, before we start, don't forget your Prophet Muhammad, peace be upon him. In the previous video, I used this game to learn how to make blending. And it's the first step in reading. Today you can use this game again to form words like this fam or fan, and I can use this da, dan, dam. You can form words with meaning and words without meaning. But today إن شاء الله هيكون معانا كلمات بمعنى هيكون هنبدأ نطبق words على vowel A. ممكن نستخدم نفس الجيم اللي استخدمناها المرة اللي فاتت وممكن نستخدم جيم جديدة، وإن شاء الله النهاردة معانا جيم جديدة ويا رب تعجبكم. يلا بينا. Our game for today is lock and key. lock and key اللي هي قفل ومفتاح. الidea هنا the kid will form the same color. Yes, we have here key divided into two parts. عندنا مفتاح متقسم لتو parts. هو طبعا الطفل اوتوماتيك ممكن هيبقى سهل عليه جدا ان هو matching the colors. For example, this one color pink, and after solving the puzzle, يعني هي تقريبا عبارة عن puzzle. After solving this, he will start to read the word. Can you read this word? Yeah. Let's read together. د. في الفيديو اللي فات قلنا ان letter A بيفتح الكونسوننت اللي قبله، بيفتح الحركة بتاعته تبقى با، زي ما قلنا با كما. So here bad. Again, bad. Okay. This is the first step. He should learn, or he should read the word first before learning the meaning. لازم الطفل يقرأ الword الأول قبل ما يعرف معناها، علشان ما يرتبطش معاه في ذهنه الصورة بالكلمة. احنا عايزين العكس، عايزينه الأول يقرأ الكلمة ويبقى يكون بيعرف يقراها، بعد كده يتعرف على الصورة بتاعتها عشان ما يبقاش حافظ شكل الكلمة من قبل ما يعرف، من بعد ما يعرف الصورة بتاعتها. فالأصح إن هو first step read the word like this. Then ask him to put the key on its lock, and automatic بقى هيبدأ. This color is pink. So where is the pink one here? The pink lock here, this one. So he will put it here. Yeah. Let's put it here. So where is it? Here. Let's put it here. You can stick it here like this. Okay. So this is the suitable key for this lock. So what's this again? Read more than time. Bad. And now, after solving the puzzle, let's know the meaning of the word bad. Then open the lock, open, and let's see. Yeah, this is the meaning of bad. When we say about something, it's good, fine, good, and the opposite is bad, good, bad, good, bad. This is the meaning of bad. Okay, let's try another word. Okay, another one. I choose the color yellow. What's this sound? Which one is suitable? I think this one, the same color. Yeah, let's put it here. So now, yes, let's read the word. Mad. How can I read this word? Mad. Yeah, step 2, we'll put the key on its lock. So where is the yellow one? This one. Let's put it here. Okay. So again, let's read again. Mad, mad, mad. Now I can read the word and I put the key on its lock. Let's open the key, open, and see what's the meaning of mad. Open. This is the meaning of mad. Mad. Mad is like the word angry. Angry boy here. يعني غضبان. يعني mad بتدي نفس المينينج بتاع angry. Okay, so again, what's this? Mad. What's this? Mad. Let's read the word again. Mad. Let's try another one. يلا نشوف حد كمان معانا مثلا orange color. We have here, what's this? And let's put a after it. Sad. And what's the color of the key here? It's orange. So where is the orange lock? Yeah, this one. Okay, let's put the key. Let's put it here. And now let's open the lock and see what's the meaning of sad. Let's see. Oh, sad. This is the meaning of sad. Sad means he is not happy. Okay, and the last one is, let's put sad here. One will be, this is, what's this? Dad. And what color is this? It's a green. So where is the green lock? This one. Yes. So let's put it here. Bravo. And big star for him. He is excellent to form or to solve all these puzzles. Let's see what's the meaning of dad. Yeah, let's take the key and open the lock. Open. Yes, let's open and see what's the meaning of dad. Wow. He is dead. And in this way we took 4 words on short vowel A. خدنا دلوقتي 4 words 4 كلمات على vowel A. And after learning how to read words and know the meaning of these words, it's time for exercising. بعد ما اتعلمنا نقرأ الwords ونعرف معانيها, it's time for exercising. نتعلم دلوقتي ناخد تمارين عليها تثبت معانا القراية وتثبت معانا معاني الصور اللي احنا اخدناها. معانا دي الأول هنا كده بنحط we'll put the letter here, وحاجة بقى بنسميها بنقول عليها الفاميلي. يعني عندي هنا the word mad, bad, sad, dad. So we call this family. بنقول الفاميلي بتاعت الwords دي كلها بتنتهي بمقطع add. يبقى dad add, sad add, bad add, mad add. عشان كده بنقول عليهم الفاميلي عشان هي بتنتهي بيها زي نهايات أي اسم مثلا مركب. So let's write mad. Let's see how do you remember the writing between 4 lines? 1, 2, 3, 4. The first letter is an M. You can write M between line 2 and 3. All the small letters between 2 and 3 ما عدا letters اللي هيكون ليها line up or down. Ma and A small between line 2 and 3. Mad. What's this? Mad. So this is the word mad. You can write the next one. Erase and write the next one. Let's move. Bad. Let's see how can I write bad. Letter B starts from line 1, then 2 and 3, and semicircle down, and then bad. So the kid will read the word and then write the word, and so on. You can write sad and dead.